Good morning, students. In last class, we are learning about these simple equations. So here today we are going to new lesson is the one of the most important lesson in mathematics, lines and angles. So today our lesson lines and angles. Where is the why we learn this lesson? Anytime you are thinking. So sometimes we are thinking why these maths we are learning, what is the uses of in our life. So actually numbers. So any things we are counted, we know numbers. Next one, now before simple equations we learning. So anything we are find out, we are using simple equations. Here angles and lines. What is the uses of the lines and angles? So you construct any building and or any like you are engineering after you are civil engineering. So there uses we learn this chapter. There you construct any buildings or bridges or so there we are using lines and angles. So what is the uses of the angle? For example, see now this is a surface, land surface. So here you build the one pole, here one pole, here one pole. So here construct build. So what is the here angle? How to here build? So pole. So how to construct the pole? So depend upon the here angle. So as it is. So in this situation we needed angles. So today our topic is angles and lines. So what is a line? Normally we are using so sometimes in class we are discussing. This boy draw one lines on my book. Some students said on complaint. Here see, what is a line? First, what is this? This is a point. Actually this is a dot. This dot we are called point. So this point has no length, no breadth, no width. Just this is location, exactly location shows we are using point. So this is a point. See this number of points, this like. This number of points joined together form a line. So line means number of infinity points joined together. Now one point joined together form a line. So here both sides we are keep arrows. This arrow shows this is a not fixed length. So now this is a line. So you want this side extend. You want this side extend. As this side extend, you extend. So here line has no fixed length. And line both side arrows, that arrows shows extend endless. So your choice, that is depend upon. Like you needed extend some length line, you are extended. So here main one, line has no fixed length, both side arrows, that arrows shows extend endless. Next one, a line, this is a line. So next one, a ray. What is a ray? Here see, now this is a line. This is a ray. So here, this is a ray. So line example in our daily life, mathematics, integers. Integers starting number, no. Ending number, we don't know. So that is the set of integers. Next one, examples. And time, like years. Starting year, we don't know. Ending year, we don't know. Anyone say ending year? We don't know. Anyone say starting year? First year, second year. First year is a starting year, not. That is humans created. So after BC, before Christ, after Christ. So total time we are dividing two parts. One of the BC, one of the AC. After Christ, before Christ. Actually, 1 year before, so many years they finished, but we don't know. So here line example, integers and time. So now ray. Ray is one of the part of line. One part of line. Simple. Here see. Now this is a line. We are forming here a ray. So this is a part of the line. So this ray has no fixed length. Why? Here ending point, starting point here, but there is no ending point. Here extending endless. So this is a ray. What is the example of ray in our daily life? So distance between sky and land surface. So now we know land surface here starting. What is the highest sky length? Still any scientist cannot find. So only one side starting point, another side whole numbers. Example ray, starting 0, ending we don't know. Natural numbers, ray starting 1, ending we don't know. Next one. So that like some torch light. So torch light is starting from the torch, ending we don't know. So that is a ray example. Next one, line segment. Line segment. What is a line segment? The distance between 2 points. That is a line segment. Here one point between distance we are called a line segment. Here see, this is one of the part of the line. So now this is also one of the part of the line. So this line segment has both side ending points. So line segment has exactly fixed length. So here ending points, here ending points. But this is, we cannot extend any side. So here ending points, here ending point, both side points, that is called line segment. Only one side point, another side arrow that is called ray, both sides arrows, that is called line. So lines are different lines: parallel lines, perpendicular lines, intersecting lines. Parallel lines. Parallel lines. What is a parallel lines? Two lines or two line segment starting at a point and ending at a point. Their maintenance equal distance. That lines we are called parallel lines. Here see. Now this is a one line. This is a another line. This line here ending, this. So these lines starting here, ending here, between equal distance, that is called parallel line. So these do not intersect at any point. That lines we are called parallel lines. Example, a railway track. Now see, a railway track. Maintenance equal distance and starting at a point and ending at a point, that is called parallel line. See, railway track you are see. This like you see any railway track? No. So any railway track starting at a point and ending at a same points, between maintenance same distance, that is parallel lines. So here now clear parallel lines. Next one, perpendicular lines. So before intersecting lines, intersecting lines. What is the intersecting lines? Two lines meet at a point. That lines we are called intersecting lines. Now this is a line, this is a B line. So these A line and B line meet at a point. So this point we are called intersecting point. So these lines we are called intersecting lines. Intersecting point, intersecting lines. So intersecting lines, opposite angles are equal. Here opposite angles always equal. Now clear? Two lines joining or meet at a point. That lines we are called intersecting lines. That lines meet at a point. That point we are called intersecting point. Here opposite angles are equal. Now perpendicular lines. Now perpendicular lines. What is a perpendicular lines? As is this definition only, perpendicular lines. Here see, two lines joining or meet at a point, their angle forming 90 degrees. Here see, this is a one line, this is a one line. So these two lines meet at a point. So this is point, intersecting points, but here forming 90 degrees. That lines we are called perpendicular lines. See here 9 forming. These are intersecting lines. Why here these are perpendicular lines, these are intersecting lines. How do we say angle? Exactly 90 angles, that lines we are called perpendicular lines. Exactly there is no 90 degrees, that lines we are called intersecting lines. Is here 130. So here opposite also 130. So automatically here 50. Here opposite 50. So perpendicular lines, intersecting lines. Next one, angles. What is the angle? Angle, see, the distance, the inclined distance between initial ray from initial ray to terminal ray, that is called angle. So see, this is one ray. So this is initial ray. Initial ray. This is another ray. This is terminal ray. Here the inclined distance between, inclined means vampu, inclined distance between from initial ray to terminal ray, that is called angle. So this is called angle. These initial ray and terminal ray have common point. That point we are called vertex. So this is angle. Now clear? So the inclined distance between from initial ray to terminal ray, that is called angle. See, these two rays has a common point. That point we are called vertex. Now angles are different types. So one of the acute angle. Next one, right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. Next one, straight angle. Next one, reflex angle. Next one, complete angle. Next one, supplementary angles. Next one, complementary angle. See, acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, complete angle, supplementary angles, complementary angles. Once write down. So let's see here what is a acute angle. So a complete total degrees, how many? 360 degrees. We know a closed figure rotate how many degrees? 360. So here this is a circle. These how many circle has how many degrees? 360. Now this is a semicircle. Semicircle has how many degrees? 180. This is a quarter of this circle. How many degrees? 90. So here 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Total 360 degrees. So acute angle 1 degree to 89 degrees we are called acute angle. So now right angle exactly 90 degrees. So like that is L shape. What this letter? This is right angle. So right angle shows 90 degrees. So in this between any line segment, now see here, this is 30 degrees. This is called acute angle. Acute angle, see next one. Now here how many degrees? So this is the 80 degrees. So this is also acute angle. Exactly 90 degrees shows we are called right angle. 90 degrees below we are called acute angle. So obtuse angle 91 degrees to 179 degrees we are called obtuse angle. So that pictures here 120 degrees. So these 120 degrees we are called obtuse angle. Next one straight angle. Straight angle, this is a straight line. So here we are identify the angles. Now this is shows exactly 180 degrees, that is called straight angle. A reflex angle. This is called a reflex angle. 270 degrees. This is roughly. So here see, this picture inner side angle that is called acute angle. Outer side called that is a reflex angle. Next complete angle. This is a complete angle. Here see 360 like a circle 360 degrees. Next one supplementary angle. What is the supplementary angle? See here we are measured some degrees. So any 2 degrees we are adding, like here see 39 degrees plus 141 degrees. Total how many degrees? 180. So sum of the 2 angles is equal to the 180 degrees. That angles we are called supplementary angle. So 39 is the one of the angle, 141 one of the angle. These 2 that this is equal to 180 degrees. So these two angles we are called supplementary angles. Next one, complementary angles. Sum of the any two angles is equal to 90 degrees. We are called complementary angles. So 39 here, 40, 51. How much? 90. So here 39, 51, the angles we are called complementary angles. Now clear? Right now. So here complete angle 360, reflex angle 181 degrees to 359 degrees we are called reflex angle. 360 degrees we are called complete angle. Supplementary angles, that is a definition. Sum of the two angles is equal to 180 degrees. That two angles we are called supplementary angles. Complementary angles, sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees. That angles we are called complementary angles. Next one, exercise 1. Here exercise 1. Here see, name the figure drawn below. Here first one, name the figure drawn below. Here what is this? Both side ending points. What is this? This is a segment. Line segment. Next one. What is this? Here only one side line segment, another side arrow. So this is called ray. Next one. Both side arrows. So this is called line. Next one. What is this? This is point. Here AB line segment. Next CD ray. Next XY line. So point P. Next one, draw the figure for the following. Draw the figure for the here OP. See, what is the symbol? Ray symbol. So O P, ray. Next one, point X. So point X point. Next one, RS. Here both side arrows. Arrows shows line. So this is RS line. Next one, CD. Here both side ending point. Both side ending point that shows that is a line segment. So CD line segment. Right. Next one here, name the all possible line segment in the figure. So here one figure given. So A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So here how many line segment here forming? So now see first one. A, B one line segment. Next one, AC one line segment. Next one, AD one line segment. Next one, BC one line segment. BC one line segment. Next one, BD one line segment. Next one, CD one line segment. So here how many line segment shows this line? This one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 line segments. Next one, fifth problem. Fourth one, write any 5 examples of angles that you have observed ever around. So the angle formed when scissor is open. See, so where is the UR angle identify on like your surrounding? Here see, open scissors now forming 180 something, some degrees. So open scissors. Next one, branch of the tree. So this is a tree, like a, so one branch is like a coming. So here forming angle, branch of tree. Next one, here see, board. This board here like a corner 90 degrees. So board like a walls. Next one. So remaining you write your own. Identify the following given angles: acute, right or obtuse. Fifth one. So this like a picture given. What this angle? So which angle? This one shows acute angle. Acute angle. Acute angle. Next one. This one shows obtuse angle. Obtuse angle. Next one. This one shows right angle. Next one. This picture Next one. This picture shows which angle? Obtuse angle. So acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. So we are easily identify pictures. So depend upon the angles. Right angles always line perpendicular lines shows. So between angle we are called acute angle. After line segment forming obtuse angle. Next one, sixth problem. So they given one picture. Sixth one. What this angle shows? Right angle. So A O B. Here F C D E. So this is a given picture. So in this picture, how many right angles, how many acute angles, how many obtuse angles, how many straight angles? So first acute angles. Acute angles. Here see, this is a acute angle. Angle COB. Angle COB, one acute angle. Next one, angle DOB. Angle DOB, one acute angle. Next one, angle DOC, one acute angle. Next one, angle EOC, one acute angle. So next one, angle EFOD, angle EOD, angle EOD. Next one, angle FOE, FOE. Next one, angle FOD, FOD. These are acute angles. Next, right angles. Acute angles. Next, angle AOF, that is also acute angle. So next to right angle, angle AOE, AOE. Next one, EOB, angle EOB. Next one, see these are shows right angle. Angle FOC. These are right angles. Next one, obtuse angle. 90 degrees above. Here see, FOB, angle FOB. Next one, angle AOD, AOD, AOC, angle AOC. straight angle. Straight angle. Angle AOB. Next problem. Which of the following pairs of line are parallel? Why? So sixth one, seventh one here given. Seventh problem. This is this is so 4 3 2 1. So here 4 lines given, 4 problems, 1. So they are asking these 4 problems. So how many are parallel lines? How many are cannot parallel lines? Not parallel lines. So here figure 1 and 2, 4, sorry, 4. These are parallel lines. Are parallel lines. Why? Parallel lines. Why? So definition. 2 lines starting at a point and ending at a point. These lines do not intersect between any point. So 2 lines starting at a point, ending at a point, these lines do not intersecting between any point. That is called parallel lines. So third and fourth, second and third, non-parallel lines. Non-parallel lines. Seventh problem. So next one, last problem, eighth problem. Which of the following intersecting lines here? Right. Eighth one. So these are intersecting lines or not intersecting lines? Intersecting lines. What is the intersecting lines? 2 lines meet at a point. That lines we are called intersecting lines. So intersecting lines. Next one. Next one. Here these also intersecting lines. Why here cannot touch, but this is a line. So line we are extend here intersecting lines. Next one, this is also intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. non-intersecting lines. These are non-intersecting lines. So we have exercise 4.1 finish. So next class, what is the supplementary angles? What is the complementary angles? On the how to identify the one angle given, another angle not given. So complementary angle, another angle what is? Next as well as, so how to one angle given and another angle not given. What is the another supplementary angle? So next we are going to that exercise. Shall leave the class. Take care.